This is the question from GATE 2023 from electronics branch. So a network is given to us and it says that 200 ohm, through the 200 ohm resistance the current is I. We have to find the value of this current I. So this current is 1 milliampere, this current is I. So by Kirchhoff current law, this current will be I minus 1, because I minus 1 plus 1 will give you current I. Now this is current I, this is 1 milliampere current. So this will be current I minus 1. Now in this network what is given to us, this 2 volt voltage source is in series with this 2 kilo ohm resistance. So we can use source conversion. So if we use source conversion, then we can convert it into a current source in parallel with a resistance. So this will become 1 milliampere and this will be 2k resistance. Now this 2k and 2k are in parallel, so the equivalent will be 1k. So I am removing this 2k and I am replacing it with a equivalent resistance of 1 kilo ohm, because 2 kilo ohm and 2 kilo ohm are in parallel. So this is 1 milliampere current, this is I minus 1 current. So this current will be I minus 2. Now again this current will be I minus 1. So now we have got all the currents in all the branches. Now we have to find the value of this current I. So I am applying the Kirchhoff voltage law in this loop. Okay. So this current is I minus 2. Let me draw the terminals. So applying KVL here, this will be 1k. So 1 into I minus 2, 1k. This will be 1k into I minus 1. So 1 into I minus 1. And this is 200 ohm. So we can convert it to kilo ohm using 0.2k. So 0.2k. So 1k into I minus 2 plus 1k into I minus 1 plus I into 0.2 equal to 0. So this will give you I plus I 2.2i and minus 3. So 2.2i equal to 3. So I equal to 3 upon 2.2. So 1.36 milliampere will be the answer. The answer will be I equal to 1.36 milliampere. 3 divided by 2.2 equal to 1.36 milliampere. Thank you. Please like and share the video, and if you have any feedback you can post your comment in the comment box. Thank you.